Hello YouTube. This video is going to show how we hooked up the back speakers straight to the Ride Command using this MTX module. There is a third plug on the back of the Ride Command unit that's not used for anything. That is where this connector plugs into. This module is about $40 and can be had on the MTX Audio website.
So here Kevin's put some extra speakers in.
The way this works is you hook the plug up to the back of the Ride Command. You then hook the amp up with RCA connectors to this plug. And then speakers up to the amp and you're good to go. This is what Kevin did for interior lights for the Intruder. There were a couple extra rock lights left over and he put those center over the passengers and over the driver. There's two ice blue COB light strips directly over the front passengers. There's a couple blue LEDs adding extra light underneath the dash. As you see, those interior accent lights really light up the whole interior. This pretty much concludes the video on the speaker upgrade. Hope you enjoyed it.